Hey everyone, Kathy here again from Retire Life, Arizona. Part of the thing about being retired is you're on a fixed income, which means you got to do some things yourself. So here's one of them. Welcome to my world. This golf cart has a flat tire, so I have to take it off because I can't drive it to the place, and I'm not paying to get it towed. I gotta get a better angle on this. All right, now I gotta jack it up. Oh, this is so much fun. I had to get the jack from my car because my own, whoops, wrong way. Because obviously golf carts don't come with jacks. Oh, you're probably seeing the top of my hair. Not a good plan. All right, let's get this going. Yeehaw. All right, that's moving freely. The thing about this is I had this happen once before on this golf cart, and the lug nuts on a golf cart are not exactly the same as in your car. So like this thing is not the same as this. I had to buy this like at Home Depot or wherever. Just the one socket that fits these. Of course, I walk into Home Depot with these in my hand. It's because the depth, I think, because these are too deep. See, like if they go in here, it didn't fit right. You have to be able to put this deeper one on here. All right. Now let's take this. Oh, here's the hard part once you're retired life. Ta-da. Okay. Putting that in the car. We'll see what happens when we get it back. All right. We got the tire back. We had to not fix it. We had to replace it, unfortunately, like another $150 or whatever it was, which means, because it was a defect in the sidewall over here, like right along here, which meant it was not repairable. Of course, it wasn't just like a hole or whatever, like that would be easily fixed. So now we put it back on. Yeah, we put it back on. There it goes. Pretty simple. And I think I learned this in auto maintenance in high school. Now on a regular cart, it makes a bigger difference because this has more lug nuts, that have like 5, I think. This only has 4. But you're supposed to tighten them alternately, meaning you don't go here, 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 and here, because that could get it like not balanced, or yeah, I guess balanced is the right word. So what I'm going to do is and then what you also do is you can only tighten it so much when the wheel is jacked up because it'll spin, see, like that. So you can't get it as tight as you want, but you tighten them enough that they stay on the frame. You don't tighten them all the way, just enough that it stays kind of centered on the frame when you lower it. All right, and then we lower the jack. Hopefully we remember which way it was going. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Hopefully. That seems correct. And then once it gets the full weight, then we tighten it up all the way. And then we alternate. Like I said, you go here, here. You see, I had to get a deep socket because these lug nuts are fancy. So they're too deep for a standard lug wrench, like the one in the trunk of my car, for example. Okay. Then we put the decorative piece back on. Ta-da! All done. And there it is. Fabulous. Excellent work.